Good evening, students. Today we will be discussing about the periodic functions. For a function f of x, if there exists a positive real number t such that f of x plus t equal to f of x for all x belongs to R, that respective domain, then fx is periodic fx is periodic if t is the least among such positive values. If t is the least positive value, then f of x plus t equal to fx, where t is the least positive value, that confirms t is the period of fx. T is the period of f of x. You might be confused with this. Let me explain through figure and everything. Basically, periodicity you are knowing in chemistry, 11th chemistry. Periodicity is a property which repetition of a property at regular intervals. Let us take an example. Fx equal to sin x. So if you observe the graph of sin x, and here this side minus pi, minus 2 pi, so between minus pi to 0, between 0 to pi you are getting like this, and in between minus pi to 0 you are getting like this, and between pi to 2 pi these are equivalent. Okay, and again upper arc there, maximum values are plus 1 and minimum value minus 1. We are knowing this, between minus 2 pi to 2 pi y equal to or fx equal to sin x graph. I have drawn sin x graph मैंने ड्रा कर दिया. देखो, the upper wave you can say crust, and this lower arc you can say trough. So on positive side it is starting at 0. Once again at 2 pi you will be getting a new crust. Again at 2 pi you will be getting a new crust. Matlab same curve is repeating. The same curve is repeating after an interval of 2 pi. The difference between these 2 points, 2 pi minus 0, 2 pi. So sin x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. You mean to say f of x plus t equal to fx matlab periodic, where t is a positive value, positive real value. And among such positive values, if t is the least positive value, then function is periodic with period small t, matlab period in the sense fundamental period. So fundamental period of sin x is 2 pi, because after every interval of 2 pi sin x repeats its motion or curve. So therefore period of sin x is 2 pi. Similarly, so as you are clear, f of x plus t equal to f of x for a t positive value, positive real value, for all x belongs to your real numbers, or you can say whatever it is domain, you can say df, and for every x in D, x plus t is also belongs to your domain. So automatically, naturally, you will be getting infinite interval in the domain. Matlab a function with a restricted domain cannot be periodic. A function with a restricted domain cannot be periodic. Why? Because if x plus t, x plus 2t, x plus nt all these values are belong to domain only, so you will be getting infinite values in the interval of domain. Therefore functions having restricted domain cannot be periodic. Okay, so this is one aspect. So let me explain through second example. Say you are knowing fx equal to brace x, where brace denotes fractional part of x. This is y equal to 1, and on the x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and even negative side -1, -2, -3, like this. देखो from 0 to 1 the graph will be like this. Here the upper y equal to 1 it will not touch, matlab we cannot take in the range y equal to 1, so you will be finding an open arc here. Okay, and again from 1 to 2 this is with dark circle and here is with open circle. Again open arc or open circle. Again at a point 3 here again an open circle. So like this, even negative side also same. Okay, so see at 0 we have this line y equal to x, again at 1, again at 2, so same curve is repeating after an interval of 1. So brace x is a periodic function with fundamental period 1. Why? Because brace of x plus 1 is same as brace x, not only x plus 1, you can add as many values, x plus 1 ले लो, x minus 1 ले लो, या x plus 2 ले लो, all these values are giving brace x only, or even x plus n, all these values are equal to brace x only. So what is the least value, least positive value? 1. So 1 is the fundamental period of brace x, or brace x is a periodic function with fundamental period 1. Clear now? So we have gone through 2 examples. Now let me explain the properties of periodic functions. Properties of periodic functions. If you have taken sine power nx, cos power nx, cosecant power nx, secant power nx, period is 2 pi. If n is odd, and pi if n is even. Next, tan power nx या cot power nx, both are having period pi whether n is even or odd. And nextly mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, for all these functions, mod cosecant x, mod secant x, mod cot x, for all these functions period is pi only. Nextly brace x, fractional part of function whose period is 1, that already we have discussed. Here you can say 2 pi if n is odd or rational number, or a rational number. Okay. Next, algebraic function, say root x cube plus 3, yeah, x power 5 by 2 plus something 2x minus 7. All these functions are algebraic. Algebraic functions are non-periodic. Algebraic functions are non-periodic. Nextly, fx equal to constant function. Constant function is periodic only, but has no fundamental period. Has no fundamental period. It is periodic only, but it has no fundamental period. Nextly, if period of function fx I have taken capital T, then a constant I am multiplying c. A constant c multiply किया, divide किया, या add किया, या function value को add किया, difference किया. All these functions having same period capital T, or even if you have taken root fx, yeah, 1 by fx, all these functions are periodic with same period T. Next, suppose fx has a period capital T, then if you have taken a function gx equal to some k into f of cx plus d, where k, c, d are real numbers and k and c not equal to 0, has a period t by mod c. इधर ये वेरिएबल का कोशेंट का मॉड्यूलस लिखना चाहिए. Why we are taking modulus? Because period should be positive. Period in the sense fundamental period, right? Now, for example, another one, hx is equal to f1 of x plus f2 of x, where f1 and f2 have periods, say t1 and t2. So period of hx is LCM of periods t1 and t2 if h is not an even function, or half of LCM of t1 and t2 provided f1 and f2 are complementary pairwise comparable functions होना चाहिए. उस केस में half LCM of t1 and t2. लेकिन इसमें कुछ restrictions है, वो भी restrictions भी हम discuss कर लेते हैं. For example, if I am taking ये LCM formula में कुछ restrictions है. If I am taking fx is equal to sin square x plus cos square x, लोग नॉर्मली क्या सोचते, देखो इसका पीरियड क्या है फॉर एन इवन फंक्शन, इसका पीरियड पाई एंड इसका भी इवन फंक्शन पीरियड पाई इवन पावर. So normally, and also these are pairwise complementary functions. Overall function is even. You will be taking half LCM of pi and pi, that is pi by 2. But this is not true. Why? Because fx का value क्या होता है, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. That means function is a constant function. So constant function is periodic but has no fundamental period. This way we do have some exceptions.